Alright, you guys, I am in Sam's Club. So right here we have 24 sticks, 100% all natural turkey. It's gonna be $13.98, limit 5 per membership. This one doesn't end until January 25th. Gluten free. I haven't tried any turkey jerky. Zero sugar. Let's see, carb 0, total sugar 0, protein 4. Let's see, one stick is 14 grams. Okay. And No Man's Land beef jerky is $14.91, 8.5 ounce, mild, 17 grams protein per serving. Slow dried old fashioned jerky. They really took the air out of this bag. Let's see here. Yeah, I've never seen this one. Alright, this one ends. It doesn't tell me when it ends, so it's just $14.91. And Harvest Snaps, lightly salted. These are $5.78. Probiotic yogis. These are $10.38 everyday price, $9.38 per scan and go. You do get 24 in here. So this one is a scan and go savings. I still haven't tried this. I know they were doing a sample. A 40 count of Kellogg's snacks, $11.98. This one does end on the 25th of January. Or bring it up. So you get Cheez-It, you get 14 crispy and 12 Pringles. This could be a good box for school, you know, school lunch or whatnot. And on the Frito-Lay, you get 30 bags in here. $16.48, $2 off. This one doesn't end until February 1st, so little February instant savings right here. Again, tons of variety. I do want to say that Sam's Club has more variety for like any like lunch. I mean, come on, compared to Costco, you are going to find more here. And $8.98, you have Cheez-Its, 2 bags here, $1 off. It's only $1 off. This one doesn't end till February, and there's no limit. And you know what? Cheez-Its come in pretty handy, especially if you put like in a little bit of trail mix with it. It kind of gives you a little bit of sweet salty, if you want to call it sweet, but it's just a little different with the nut mix. I kind of enjoy it. Not a fan of Cheez-It, but you know, we had that in the cabinet and I needed to make like a little snack for work, so yeah, it worked. $8.98 here. We have Crunch Master Ranch Crackers, $7.98, $2 off. Ends, it doesn't tell me when it ends, but it's on a discount. Ranch baked rice crackers. Okay, that's kind of new. I haven't seen this one. I've seen the avocado one, if you guys tried it. I've tried it, but then I was reading the back of the ingredients. I'm like, oh, it's not really good for you. Like this right here. I tried this one. It's good. I'm not gonna lie. It is pretty good, but it had all this stuff I didn't care for. Okay, let's see. Brown rice flour, sesame seed, ranch seasoning. But the avocado one had like a lot of seed oil. And I was like, oh. So this is pretty good. $7.91, you guys. They also have a multi-grain one. $7.38. And you will get a 2-pack. It is vegan. And popcorners. I've never tried popcorners. They're never fried. No artificial flavoring. You get 28 in here for $11.98. $2 off. This one does end January 25th. And fruit by the foot, $11.98. Perfect. You get 64 count. What? This is not a variety. Nope. That's over here, the 64 count. This one is $11.98. They have them all backwards. Which is really weird because this is 48 rolls, right?
And they want $15 for it.
No, that's 72 count. So their sign is wrong.
Weird.
64
yeah, they got it
rolls.
all screwed up.
64 rolls is I'm sorry. 64, 11.98.
Yeah, so that's funny. Yeah, that's the right tag for that.
But they have this one doesn't have a tag.
No.
They're saying
They have
it's
the wrong
yeah,
tag.
that's wrong. But these come in handy, you guys. Don't forget, right now Walmart and Target are doing their Christmas clearance. Target is 50% off. I wonder if it went down a little, a little more. But if you find like the bulk of like fruit snacks and the Christmas clearance, I just grab that because there's plenty leftover like food for Christmas. But yeah, even if it had Christmas packaging, who cares? Same thing. And we have the bold flavor, no dyes or artificial flavor. $3.98 on the Doritos. This is going to be nacho cheese, naked of dyes. Okay, I don't have an issue that there's no dyes. But can we do, if they want to make it healthy, get rid of soybean oil and all that stuff. You know what I mean? And sunflower oil.
Like they have
And
four different
granola.
oils
And
some different
granola.
ones, yeah.
I know they're just trying to do dyes, but I really thought they were cracking down on all the seed oils.
They tried to stop that, I think. No,
But $3.98 here.
I know they're trying to.
Bobos. These are PB&Js. You get 9 grape and 9 strawberry. These are $10.98 right now. $4 off. Ends January 25th on the Bobos. New lower price right here on That's It Crunchables. These are the freeze-dried organic. You get 18 in here. $11.48. Let's see. You get 6 apple, mango, and blueberry. I do want to say though, these packets are pretty tiny. I feel like it's a perfect size for a toddler. I think for older kids, they probably might eat a little more, but this is perfect size for like toddler. Also $11.98 peanut butter chocolate chip, 6 ingredients, 10-gram protein, gluten-free, dairy-free. We have the oatmeal chocolate chip cookie. You get 8 ingredients in here. $11.98, $2 off, and it's for a 12 count. Ends in February. And $15.98 the Fit Crunch. I've seen this guy all over the interwebs lately. I don't know why. I'm getting a lot of commercials. $4 off, limit 5. Ends in January. You get 9 chocolate peanut butter and 9 chocolate chip cookie dough. There's a high protein bar. $11.98. You get 49 pouches in here. On the oats and honey bars. I'm not gonna lie, growing up this was like my favorite to have in my lunch. But yeah, they do break apart really easy. If you guys seen that commercial, that funny meme going around where they open their granola bar and it just falls apart. $11.98 here. The Cliff Z bar is $16.98, so $5 off right now. It looks like you get 12 iced oatmeal, 12 chocolate chip, and 12 chocolate brownie. There's a lot of instant savings in like the snack department. $8.91 right now for oatmeal squares, 34 count, right here. And then next to me we have the Quest, which is $20.98, $4 off. You get 14 bars in here. You have a little variety pack of protein bar. You got chocolate chip, cookies and cream, and chocolate brownie. Oh man, they only give you 2 chocolate brownie. What the heck? And then next to me, then more protein bars, $14.38. Oh, cookie dough and strawberry. Shorty got cake. $14.38. That's kind of funny. Right now, $7.98 right here. $6 off on 48 count. A 48 count, Let me turn it around for ya. 4 flavors. Irish cream, fire whiskey. Okay, more instant savings clearance. $10.76 right here on the cookies if you need them. The candy is on discount. $8.41 for Santa variety. You could save it for next year. Just watch your expiration date. I'm not too sure how much the popcorn is. It says Celebration Tower, but this is not Celebration Tower. The liqueur. Chocolate caramel popcorn, that's gone. I still haven't tried this. I wonder if that was good, you guys. If you tried it, let me know. Ghirardelli one, $4.98. $4.98 for that? That's not bad. May get this one to save. And $9.98 right here. $7 off. It may go lower. Plenty of butter cookies left over. $11.76 here. Cinnamon toast. 11 grams of protein. Source of fiber. This is $9.98. I'm not too sure if I tried Catalina Crunch, but I tried 7 Sundays. Not a fan. Not a fan. But these are on discount.
The cinnamon you can't go wrong.
Blueberry, $10.48, you guys. You get 25. I mean, if you really want to stock up on snackage or stock up your pantry, there's so many instant savings today. $14.98, $3 off.
Crazy.
The variety pack, you guys, is such a good deal. $8.28 right now on the Rose. Oreos. Did I say Rose? I feel like I always mispronounce it, but you know, it's all good. Yep. That's a good one. I was stuck up on the pasta. You want cup of noodles for some, you know, after school if they love it. These are $8.98, $2 off. Mac and cheese, $12.46 right now, $2.50 off. Was $14.96 for an 18 pack. I know summer's going to be coming around pretty quick, you guys, and spring break, and that's when I feel like they eat more, right? $10.23 here. We got Annie's white shells, white cheddar made with organic pasta. You get 12 in here. And spicy vodka, $6.91, and that is a 2-pack. And $8.98 on the ramen. Rotel. I feel like this is pretty good in a quesadilla. Yeah, but something to have in your pantry, of course. $6.98. Scan and go. Everyday price $8 right here. Velveeta, $9.88, and that is a 2-pack. You want a big can of sliced peaches? These are $7.91. That old man, he's like, oh, Wendy's chilies. He wanted Wendy's chili. $13.98 here. Hey, it's all good. $13.98, $2 off. Limit 5 per membership on variety here. Fruit on the go. You get 8 apple strawberry, 8 apple, 8 gimme 5, which is apple, mango, strawberry, peach, and banana. And then you get 8 apple cinnamon. I wish these didn't have variety though, but I mean, variety is good if your kid loves variety, but if they just had apple cinnamon, $13.98. Cinnamon toast crunch right now is $5.74, $2 off. Honey bunches of oats are $4.98 right now. And then Kashi granola is a $10.98, fiber and probiotics. This one is blueberry and almond granola, made with whole grain oat clustered, almond slice, and blueberries. Got some flaxseed in here. All right. And then the no sugar nut granola, $9.74. Cinnamon pecan. That looks kind of good too. My daughter loves granola, but I don't know if she would like the almonds in there. And then the cinnamon Velveeta is a $10.48, and that is a 25 count. Okay, Bare Naked vanilla almond is $5.98, which is not bad, non-GMO. So $5.98. And then over here, Special K, if you want to go on that, remember the whole thing about the Special K diet. $7.48 here. And $12.98 organic raw honey. $37.48 for the Dunkin', and that is a 72 count. Next to me, $20.78, and for a 40 ounce on the ground. Now, if you're needing trash bags, I get 90 in here for $15.48, $3.50 off. Ends the end of January or January 25th. Next to me is $17.98. You get 160 for $18. Ziploc, 1 gallon, $13.48, $3 off. You get a 52 count in here. And the hefty food storage container is $6.98, so 7 and 11.48 right here on top. And the Bounty right here is $34.38. You get 12 rolls, 165 sheets right here, $4 off. And this one on the select size paper towel, the Bounty White, is $21.68. Is 12 rolls and 110 sheets for $21.68.
Because okay, so this one's like 32 rolls. This one's like 48 rolls.
Yeah.
But they're each 12 rolls. So what is that, like half a roll? I don't.
The Greek yogurt Chobani is $12.98. I feel like a lot of people are not buying Chobani. $12.98, no limit. They do have oven roasted wings for $14.98. That is a 3-pound by Members Mark. And $14.98 for the garlic parmesan wings. $14.98. And if you want the buffalo hot style wings, they're $14.98 as well. So that's on a discount.
12-pound bags.
All right, and Northern, here we go. Blushable wipes are $10.22. You get 504. $14.97 right now on a Rubbermaid, and that is for a 30-piece. $16.98 on the Snap. It is plastic. And if you're looking for glass, $24.98 here. $24.98 on the glass storage. If you're looking for a new toaster, $29.88. A little slit fit thick and thin bread, bagel, defrost, cancel. $200 right here. $200 on the slushy maker. Also comes in pink if you're wondering. Alright, some laundry. We have the Tide here. You get 4 bags, 72 pods for $19.98 here. And then next to me we have Downey, which is a $10.98. And then a $15.98 down here. We have the scent beads. Downey Fusion, Downey Light, Ocean Mist, and Calm. And $19.98 for liquid laundry detergent, up to 152 loads. So 152 loads is $19.98, but if you want to spend $19.48, you only get how many here? 100 loads. So not much of a. I mean, just a couple cents more. Like, but like 50 or something. $20.98 for the all. And a $16.98 for 166 load. I did try all. I tried something, one of these, and that one really made us itchy quite a bit. Over here, Downey, $13.98, the fabric rinse. $9.98 on the Serta, the 2-pack. These are kind of squishy gel memory foam on standard. Alright, you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here in the Sam's Club. Thank you so much for joining me on this walkthrough. A lot of instant savings. You got a lot of snacks, granola, a little bit of chips for lunch. Please stay safe. Give this video a thumbs up. I hope this video does help you figure out what is available in your local Sam's Club. Again, Sam's Club I feel like is more snackage. Again, compared to Costco, you're going to get much more variety, even though Costco has been bringing in some new items too. Please stay safe, and I will see all of you in the next one.